We're aware of the key challenges faced by industries across the board, from utilities to construction, when it comes to conducting regular and reliable asset inspections. Inspections carried out by third parties or even internal team members are often incomplete, fail to capture the necessary data, or result in disorganized outputs that are difficult to process. That's why Drone Harmony has developed a groundbreaking guided inspections feature designed specifically for enterprise-level customers. This powerful new feature puts project managers in full control of the inspection process. Through our cloud-based team account system, they can provide detailed in-app instructions on how specific assets should be inspected, essentially tailored in-flight guidance for themselves or their drone pilots. Project progress can even be monitored live from anywhere in the world, thanks to our high-speed cloud syncing capabilities, delivering true field-to-office integration. And finally, our intelligent data organization system eliminates the problem of messy data sets by automatically segmenting captured content by individual asset. Join thousands of professionals across industries who are transforming their inspection workflows with Drone Harmony.